this chapter, logarithms, where this is a log with base a, n equals to x. Convert it into the index form, it will become n equals to a power of x, where a is a base. So you can see this is a base. Base, power, and the answer. So convert to the index form, base a power of x, power, and the answer will be n, where a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1. And for the other case, when a power of 0 equals 1, so log a1 equals to 0, means that no matter what is a base, as long as it's log 1, there will be always equal to 0. Log 10 1 equals to 0. Okay? Log 10 1 equals to 0. Log b1 equals to 0. Okay, next, a power of 1 equals to a. Then convert it into the log form, base, the power, and the answer. Log a equals to 1. A base, power 1, the answer a. So log a equals to 1. As long as the base and the number are same, so they will be always equals to 1. Example, log 10 equals to 1. Log 5 equals to 1. Log b also equals to 1. So this is some of the basic of the logarithm. Okay, next, if log 10, okay, log base 10, n equals to x, and then the anti-log x will be equals to n. Anti-log means we change the log in the inverse form. Anti-log x will be equals to n. So this is some of the law of the logarithm. Okay, next, look at this example. Convert the following logarithms to the index form. A, log 3 27 equals to 3. So now log with the base 3, base is 3, the answer is 27 equals to 3. So convert it into the index form. Just now I mentioned to you, this is a base, power, and this is the answer. So answer will be 3, base 3, power 3, and then the answer will be 27. Okay, B, log base 2, 128 equals to 7. So base 2, power 7 equals to 128. This is how to convert logarithm to the index form. For this part, find the value of each of the following. A, log 10 7. So log 10 7, you can press directly from your calculator. Where you find the button of log, you can log, then base 10 7. What is the answer? The answer should be 0.845. So you can get it directly from the calculator, 0.845. The anti-log means that you press for shift log. On your calculator, it will show you x, 10 power of x. This is the meaning for anti-log. So anti-log of 2.1423 actually refer to 10 power of 2.1423. So you press your calculator, shift log. Okay, this is anti-log. Okay, you press this button, shift, and then you press for log. Shift log 2.1423. Okay, the answer will be 138.7714. 138.7714. So this is the answer. Next, the logarithms law. There are only 3. The first one, So base A is just a representative of log A. Sometimes will be log 10, log B, log Y, anything. Log A, x, y. So x, y is the multiplication of x and y equals to log base A x plus log base A y. So x, y multiply will become plus. Second one, divide. Log x divided by y equals to log ax minus log ay. And then the third one, log ax power of n. So this power can bring to the front become n log ax. Okay, I want to mention here a common mistake. Common mistake for the student. They thought that log, example, log ax divided by log ay equals to log x minus y. So there are no such this law of logarithm. So only these three. Okay, only these three, no other. And next, simplify each of the following logarithms expression. So simplify. We check the first question. Log base 4, 2 plus log base 4, 32. So these are the same base 4. And plus, just now according to the law of logarithm, plus means multiply. Okay, plus means multiply. So I can combine it together, become still log 4. And the numbers will become 2 multiplied with 32. So the answer will be log 464. Okay, this is the first one. Second, log 2 base 2, 48 plus log base 2, 3 minus log base 2, 9. So base 2, base 2, base 2. Combine it together, it will become log base 2, 48 multiply with 3 divide by 9. Okay, minus means divide. So press for your calculator. Press for your calculator. 48 multiply with 3 divide by 9. So it will become 16. Log 2, 16. Actually, this one can be simplified again, but I just stop here because I want to make it become logarithm first. So afterward, I'm going back to the question. So question number 3. Question number 3. So 2 log 5, 10 plus 3 log base 5, 2 minus log base 5, 32. So according to the law of logarithm, this number can bring it up here, become power. So it will become log 5, 10 square multiply with 2 cube divide by 32. Okay, this is the one. Put a bracket. Simplify it again. 10 square multiply with 2 cube divide by 32. The answer is log 525. I just leave it here first. And then the last question, 4 log base x 2 minus 3 log base x 4 plus log base x 6. So they will become log base x, the first one, 2 power of 4. Okay, plus me multiply. Multiply with 6. Divide by 4 cube. Okay. Now press your calculator. 2 power of 4. Multiply with 6. Divide with 4 cube. Log x 3 over 2. So we can leave our answer here. Okay, so just now for question number 1, number 2, number 3, actually not yet finished. Because this number, like question number 1, 4 and 64, we can try to rewrite it again. Log 4, 64 is 4 power of 3, 4 cube. 4 cube, right? And then according to the law of logarithm, this 3 is power 3. Can bring to the front, become 3 log 4, 4. And law of logarithm, as long as the base and the number are same, they will be always equals to 1. This one is 3 power of 3 multiplied with 1. The answer is 3. Okay, the answer is 3. Same with question number 2. I can write 16 as 2 power of 4. And then this will become 4 log 2, 2, and the answer is 4. And same with question number 3. 25. 25 I can write as log 5, 5 squared. So become 2 log 5, 5, that is 2. So this is all the law of logarithm, application of law of logarithm. Okay, next. This is also using the law of logarithm, where we give you already the value of log. Given that log 3, 2 equals to 0.631 and log base 3, 5 equals to 1.465. Find the values of log 3, 20. I know that the new calculator, the latest Casio FX570EX, you can press log 3, log with base 3. Yeah? The other one, the gray calculator and the black calculator, I think cannot, but the latest one, the white calculator, that one can. But during the exam, you cannot just give me the answer directly using calculator. Normally, this question, we need you to show us the working step. So you have to show us the working step. Like example, question number 8. Log 3, base 3, 20. So base 3, all the given answer is already in base 3. Huh? From the question here, we can see base 3 already. So how to combine this number 2 and 5 become 20? Actually, 20, I can write it as log base 3, 2 square multiplied with 5. Okay, 2 square is 4. Then 4 multiplied with 5 actually is 20 already. So I changed the way to write the question. And according to the law of logarithm, separate it become log base 3, 2 square plus log base 3, 5. And here will become log 2 log base 3, 2 plus log base 3, 5. And substitute the value. Log 3 base 3, 2 is 0.631 plus log base 3, 5 is 1.465. So our final answer will be, use your calculator to multiply with 0.631 plus 1.465. So the answer will be 2.727. Okay, 2.727. B, log base 3, 4 over 5. So we can write as log base 3, 4 minus log base 3, 5. Okay, 4 also can be written as 2 square minus 2 log 3, 5. And it will become 2 log base 3, 2 minus log base 3, 5. And this will become 2 bracket of 0.631 minus 1.465. And use your calculator to multiply with 0.631 minus 1.465. So the answer will be negative 0.203. Negative 0.203. Log base 3, 7.5. How to get 7.5? We can write it as 7.5. We can write it as 15 over 2. So 15 over 2 is 7.5. And try to expand it again. Actually, 15 is 5 multiplied with 3. 5 multiplied with 3 is 15, divide by 2. Okay, divide by 2. And then, using the law of logarithm, log base 3, 5 plus log base 3, 3 minus log base 3, 2. Log base 3, 5, 1.465 plus log base 3, 3 is 1 minus log base 3, 2. Base 3, 2, 0.631. So press your calculator. Minus 0.631. So the answer will be 1.834. 1.834. Okay, last question. So this is an exam type question. Given log AX equals to M, log AY equals to N, and log AZ equals to R, express log A, base A, x cubed y squared over z in the terms of M, N, and R. Okay, this one not very difficult. We're just using the law of logarithm. Try to expand the equation here. Log A, x cubed plus, multiply means plus, log A, y squared minus log AZ. Okay, all the power here, we bring it to the front. Then this will become 3 log base A x plus 2 log base A y minus log A z. So 3 log A x, 3m, plus 2 log A y, 2n, minus log AZ is r. So our final answer will be 3m plus 2n minus r. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you.